Aubameyang's chrome gold Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. Aubameyang turned up. He's left me his matte black Pierre-Emerick Urus.
Welcome back to the Yiannimize YouTube channel. Behind me we've got a Lamborghini Urus. It belongs to Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. If you click wherever, you'll see it pop up in a second. You'll see the first video that we've done for him. We done his Aventador in gold chrome with a full Nero design body kit on there as well. This is going to be matching as well, so it's going into gold chrome. First of all though, we need to get it in, we need to get it stripped of the existing wrap, and then we'll get working on it and get this one sorted for him, and he'll have a pair, just like Jan. There we go, let's go.
Right now, working on the Urus. This one belongs to Aubameyang, which you probably already know. Just picked up his Gold Chrome Aventador and left this one. Me and Rio are stripping it. It's all already stripped anyway, it's just the bonnet left and the roof. And then it's going to get wrapped, Gold Chrome. Doors are off, the bumper's off, Pav and Mark are still stripping, Mark and Nicco started on the doors. Yeah, soon it's going to be done.
We've got Aubameyang's Urus. Click here to see Yanni's car video. Oh my days! Click here to see when we've done Yanni's Urus. We're about to wrap the bonnet. The vinyl wasn't enough and we had to split into 3 pieces. We could have done in the middle, but the joints was gonna show, and this bit right here is gonna hide it. So we have to put it there. So let's get started.
You might be the one that truly get me, and I might be the one you really want, and I feel it too. But you don't know what I've been going through. This is when you tell me that you're different. This is when you try to make me fall. Convince me it's true, but you didn't even have to try. You can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you. Forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame.
So, Aubameyang scored on the weekend, and we've got his car here. Check this goal. Obama who? Pow! Aubameyang, gold car, number 2 to go with his Aventador.
Or maybe you will give me all the blame, but I'm moving on.
So quick update on Aubameyang's car. The bonnet and the wing have been wrapped. They're wrapping the door there. As you can see, the wheels are still gold. They are not going to stay gold. They are going gloss black. Gold and gold don't work, especially they're different colours. But when they go gloss black, this car looks so much better. Nicco and Mark on the door. How's the door going?
We're about to jump one of the hardest part on this car. Let's do this, Mark. Bumper time!
As you can see, we're wearing shorts. It's already December, it's winter outside, but in here it's like Dubai. We've got at least,
67 degrees inside the unit.
I don't even know how can we stand this hot, but it is where it is. We need to get this one finished.
For Aubameyang.
So he's gonna be happy.
Facts, I need racks, paper cash, tax, that's a joke, tell him laugh, Uncle Sam, cut the bag.
As you can see guys, we just laid the whole back bumper. Me and Mark are so happy because it's one of the hardest part on this one. Probably it's gonna be the hardest one because look how many deep pieces is that, and we made it. One piece, sunshine. One piece. Here we go again.
For the rugged, yeah. For the rugged.
There it is, guys. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's Lamborghini Urus in chrome gold. If you click here, you can see the Aventador we done in chrome gold for him as well with the Nero body kit. He's on his way now to collect this car. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. So that is the end of the video. You've seen Aubameyang's gold Urus. You've clicked here and you've seen his gold Aventador. You've also seen my chrome turquoise Aventador and my chrome turquoise Urus. Imagine having all four cars together with Aubameyang and Nicco and Mark who wrap the cars. That would be really cool, wouldn't it? Next video, make sure you watch it.